Bootleg ba ang third-party kits? Bandai model kits. Anything na under ni Bandai, so Gundam 00, Hathaway's Flash, Double Zeta Gundam, Witch Mercury, you get the gist. So this is the Wing Zero, of course, natin saan galing to? Sa Gundam 00. Bootleg kits naman ay so, ang bootleg, essentially, ginaya nila yung mold, kinuha nila, kinopya nila, nirelease nila sa market at a better price kasi wala silang binayaran. Hindi ako nagbabash, yun ang actual na manufacturing ng mga bootlegs. No, ang difference ng third-party kits. Bootleg ba sila? SNAA, Iron Seiki. Kasi hindi siya Iron Sickle, guys. Iron Seiki yan. This is an original design by SNAA. So, ang pinaka-differences niya kasi is sarili siyang design. May sarili siyang concept, may sarili siyang art. Tingnan na sarili nila. Hindi siya galing kay Bandai, hindi siya galing sa any other property. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya bootleg. However, may silver lining tayo dyan. This is the Red Comet Sinanju. By technicality, it falls under the term third party and bootleg. Third party siya in the sense na ginawa nilang sariling design. Bootleg siya in the sense na kinuha nila yung IP ni Bandai kasi Sinanju to and yung Sinanju galing sa Gundam Unicorn. So yeah.